Hello and welcome back to our gardening channel. Today we're going to be talking about Iboza Riparia, also known as the African mistletoe vine. This plant is native to tropical Africa and can be grown as an indoor or outdoor plant. Iboza Riparia has been used for centuries in traditional African medicine as a remedy for various ailments, including high blood pressure, anxiety, and headaches. The plant has also been used for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. In modern times, it has become a popular ornamental plant due to its unique and striking appearance. Iboza Riparia is a vining plant that features long, thin stems with small round leaves that are a glossy green color. The plant produces small, delicate white flowers that bloom in the summer and fall. The flowers have a sweet, pleasant fragrance that attracts pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. As the plant ages, it may produce woody stems that will give off a more shrub-like appearance. Iboza Riparia prefers warm temperatures and high humidity levels. It can be grown in full sun or partial shade, but it does best when grown in a location that receives morning sun and afternoon shade. The plant requires well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Regular watering is essential to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Iboza Riparia can be grown as a standalone plant or as a part of a mixed planting scheme. It pairs well with other tropical plants such as ferns, palms, and orchids. The plant can also be trained to grow up a trellis or other support structure, where it will create a stunning vertical display. Aside from its medicinal uses, it can also be used as a decorative plant in the home or garden. Its unique appearance makes it an excellent addition to tropical themed gardens or as an accent plant in a mixed planting scheme. The plant can be propagated through stem cuttings, making it an easy and cost-effective addition to any garden. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Iboza Riparia, the African mistletoe vine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and plant information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.